The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth every single year, and over millions of years, our night sky will never look the same again. What feels constant is actually changing right now. Right now, the moon is moving away from Earth at about 3.8 centimeters per year. It may seem tiny, but over time, this shift affects ocean tides and even slows Earth's rotation, making our days gradually longer. If Earth were the size of a basketball, the moon would be about the size of a tennis ball orbiting around it. That small companion has a massive influence on our planet. You've probably noticed we only ever see one side of the moon. That's because it's tidally locked with Earth, meaning it rotates at exactly the same rated orbits. So while it spins, it perfectly keeps its far side hidden from us. The moon has no atmosphere, no air, no wind, no weather. Because of this, footprints left by astronauts can remain for extremely long periods, almost like a frozen snapshot of history. Gravity on the moon is only about 1/6 of Earth's. You'd feel incredibly light and could jump much higher than normal. Astronauts had to completely adjust how they moved to avoid losing balance. The moon plays a critical role in stabilizing Earth's tilt. Without it, our planet could wobble unpredictably, causing extreme climate shifts. Life as we know it might be very different without the moon's steady influence. It also controls the tides of our oceans through its gravitational pull. These tides shape coastlines, influence marine ecosystems, and even affect the natural rhythms of life on Earth. There's also water on the moon, but not in lakes or rivers. Frozen ice exists in deep, shadowed craters near the poles where sunlight never reaches. This could be key for future human missions. The moon's surface is covered in fine, sharp dust called regolith. During the Apollo 11 mission, astronauts found it stuck to everything, making movement and equipment handling unexpectedly difficult. A single day on the moon lasts about 29.5 Earth days. That means 2 weeks of intense sunlight followed by 2 weeks of complete darkness, with extreme temperature swings. Scientists believe the moon formed after a massive collision between early Earth and a Mars-sized object. The debris eventually came together to form the moon, meaning it's literally made from pieces of Earth itself. It may look silent and lifeless, but the moon isn't completely inactive. It still experiences moonquakes that can last much longer than earthquakes because its dry, rigid structure doesn't absorb vibrations easily. The moon may seem calm and distant, but it has shaped Earth's past, controls parts of our present, and continues to influence our future in ways most people never realize. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.